In this video, I'm going to teach you how to access PTB, DBD, and Epic Games. So technically, you can access it on your Epic Games because it's actually hosted on Steam. So what you can do is you first need to head over to your Steam and click on your library right here or to your store. So if you have it right there, make sure that you have it installed. Make sure as well that your birth date is above 18 years old, and from in there you just need to actually buy this particular game. Once you have bought it, it will actually appear on your library, and for example this is that. Just right click on the game, click on properties, and head over to the betas, choosing here your beta participation, and from in there enter your beta access code to unlock the private beta. Click on check code, and from in there you should be able to access the actual beta for that right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.